Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country of southeastern Europe. Sarajevo is said to be the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Federal Parliamentary Directorial Republic has been practiced in the country of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Islam is the biggest religion in the country of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Christianity is the second biggest religion in the country of Bosnia and Herzegovina here. Convertile mark is the currency of the Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina covers the area of 51,209 square kilometers. About 3 million people live in the country of this Bosnia and Herzegovina here. It is a country that was divided in the 9th century after the collapse of the Yugoslavia. Bosnia and Herzegovina got independence from Yugoslavia dated on 3rd March in 1992. It is the country of the forest beauty and natural resources here.